3.
Good morning, Cheryl. My name is Nate. I am with Tameron Hyundai here on Highway 31, 1 mile north of the Galleria here in Hoover. I want to introduce you to the Santa Fe that you were inquiring about. We have the beautiful red here. It does have the honeycomb grille, which is a beautiful, beautiful feature of this vehicle. LED wraparound headlights, again, another beautiful feature of this vehicle. Aluminum alloy wheels. It does have the reinforced side beams. Again, Hyundai takes safety very, very serious. This vehicle has a 5-star safety rating. Also have the blind spot monitoring system. What that's going to do for you in the event that there's a vehicle here on the side of you, it's going to alert you, let you know that there is a vehicle, not to come over on it, okay? And as we take a look on the interior, again, beautiful, beautiful interior. This vehicle is equipped with Android Apple CarPlay. Once you Bluetooth your phone to the system, all of that will be capable here on the steering wheel. You never have to touch your phone. Here with Tameron Hyundai, we're going to give you a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, as well as a 20-year, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty. Yes, ma'am, Cheryl, you heard me right. 20 years, 200,000 miles on your powertrain. That's exclusively here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, 1 mile north of the Galleria. My name is Nate. You can contact me at 205-287-2321. Nate, 205-287-2321. This is your Santa Fe. Come and get it, Cheryl.